Good morning.
Hello.
How'd you sleep?
Bobby.
Let's leave Wubby's there to go night-night.
Look at
Your blanket?
what? This is a prize.
It's a surprise. Ooh, wow. It's a surprise?
Yeah.
Pretty.
I want a dog. I kiss this doggy.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
And a bear.
And a teddy bear.
Where? Mama, what is bear?
Which teddy bear?
Is it there?
Where? Open it.
Okay.
Good girl. Pretty. What color is it?
Blue.
Blue. You want to go see Emma?
I'm a blue bear.
It's a blue bear.
And you?
You want me to hold you?
No, blue bear.
Can you say hi, May May?
No, look.
Why?
The mermaid is a bear.
You want to show May May your teddy bear? You are showing her.
Ah.
Say I love you.
Yeah. Say
Say hi.
Down.
Did you sleep good?
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is one of the bodies.
With the Wubbies.
A baby.
And the babies.
What? This is a paddle.
You use that as a pillow?
Paddle.
Wow.
Is it a paddle?
It's a pillow?
Yeah.
Okay.
Is it a heart?
It's a heart?
Yeah. A heart.
Like Mama's heart pillow?
Yeah.
Oh. You want Mommy to get you one of those?
No.
Yeah, I'll ask Mama where she got it, okay?
Bear.
Okay, let's go see Emma so you can give Emma a good morning kiss, okay?